Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sort and filter data in Notion. So let's get started. Open your database. Start by opening the database in Notion that contains the data you want to sort and filter. Access Sort Options. Click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the database view. This will bring up a menu options. From the menu, choose the Sort option. This will allow you to specify how you want to sort your data. You will be prompted to select the column by which you want to sort your data. Click on the column header that represents the sorting criteria you want to use, such as date or alphabetical order. After selecting the sorting criteria, you will be asked to choose whether you want to sort the data in ascending, from smallest to largest or A to Z, or descending, from largest to smallest or Z to A order. Select your preferred option. Once you've chosen your sorting criteria and order, click Apply to sort your data accordingly. You should now see your data sorted based on the criteria you selected. If you want to further refine the sorting of your data, you can add additional sorting criteria. This can be useful if you have multiple items with the same value in the primary sorting column. Follow the same steps as above to add additional sorting criteria. To filter your data, click on the three dots again and select the filter option from the menu. In the filter options, you will be able to specify the criteria by which you want to filter your data. Choose the column header you want to filter by and then define the condition or value that you want to filter for. For example, you might want to filter by type of idea and only show items that contain the word work-related. Once you've defined your filter criteria, click Apply to apply the filter to your data. You should now see only the data that meets the specified filter criteria. If you want to remove the sorting or filtering you've applied, simply click on the X next to the sorting or filtering options you want to remove. This will revert your data back to its original unsorted or unfiltered state. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!